Hi, today let's make simple and easy mushroom and spinach stir fry. First in a bowl you need to add chili oil. Then I'm adding some basic sauces like dark soy sauce, light soy sauce. Now I'm adding oyster sauce and just giving it a good mix. Next what I'm doing is I'm adding in some stock powder. You can add veg stock powder or chicken stock powder, completely up to you. Then goes in some garlic powder and corn flour. Add a little bit of water and give it a good mix. See to that there are no lumps because we have added the corn flour. And just give it a good mix, and our sauce is ready. Keep it aside. In a pan, add in oil. Once the oil has been heated up, add in sesame seeds, add in chopped ginger, add in chopped garlic, and then I'm adding in some spring onion and give it a good mix. Just give it a good mix until it's fragrant and slightly softened. Once it's done, add in your cleaned and chopped mushrooms and give it a good mix. Here you need to toss the mushrooms really very well with the ginger, garlic, spring onions at least for a minute, and then add in the sauce. Give it a good mix. See to that each and every mushroom is coated really very well with the sauce. Now because we need it to be served with rice or noodles, I'm adding in a little bit of water, and then check for the salt. I'm adding in a little bit of salt and again give it a good mix. Just see to that everything is really very good mixed. At least for 3 minutes you need to cook. And then I'm adding in here baby spinach. If you have full spinach or the whole spinach, you can add chopped spinach. Because I've added the baby spinach, I've not chopped it. Look at the color. The sauce is ready. Now finally you can serve it up with some hot rice or noodles, completely of your choice. This is a one pot meal. It will be done in around 10 minutes if all the ingredients are ready. The measurement and the descriptions are on the screen as well. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy.